The holidays are a great time of year, but they're also the best time of the year for scammers and people looking to steal your information and get money from you through scams to target you. As a tech YouTuber, this is something that I get all the time. You guys can see here all this spam in my Gmail. A lot of them get flagged by Gmail, but some of them get through. And sometimes it's hard to tell which one's scams and which one's not. So today I want to take a chance to talk to you guys again about my partners and sponsors at Aura, who can help you protect your online information and make sure you stay safe this holiday season. Now, I've talked about Aura a couple of times before on the channel, and they are a great all-in-one suite of tools that helps you not only protect yourself online, but can also help protect your family members. One of my favorite tools is the Data Broker Removal tool, which will remove your information from all these data brokers who sell your email address or your other personal information. That's how these scammers then target you, by sending spam like the spam I showed you earlier. You can see here I have 14 successful data broker removals. This is my Aura account from the various different ones. You can see all these people who have my data, they've opted me out. And then there's other ones that they've got in progress, and they do this basically every month. They're trying to look for your information online and remove your personal information from these websites. But that's hardly all that Aura offers. You've got all kinds of amazing stuff in here. They monitor your credit, your transactions, you can connect your bank accounts, your online security, you can put all of your different accounts in there, even your gamer tags if you're a Twitch streamer. They've got antivirus protection. Also in one of their top tier plans, you've got call protection. Like I said, if you opt for the family plan, you can get family protection as well. They've got a vault, which gives you a password manager, personal data. You can secure all of that in there as well. Your documents, home and property, all that good stuff. You also get access to a VPN so that you can secure your connections if you're out and about. You don't want to be browsing on public Wi-Fi, things like that, which can also lead to you getting your credentials taken. Right now, if you guys would like to get a 2-week free trial of Aura, you can go to my link, aura.com/Jeff Springer, to check it out. Not only do they have all these great tools available, you also, once you sign up using my link, you can download the Android app. You can see I have it right there, which allows you to access all of these features right there inside the Android app on your Galaxy phone, or if you use an iPhone, no judgment here, but most of you guys follow me using your Galaxy phone, and you get access to all of these features: credit monitoring, VPN, password manager, like I said, the data broker removal. All this stuff would cost you tons and tons of money, but Aura brings all this together for one low price, and that's what's so great about them. And considering that this is, like I said, the prime season for scammers to be targeting you and trying to get money from you, trying to get your personal information, it's a great time to go to my link, aura.com/Jeff Springer. Sign up today. I really appreciate Aura for being sponsors on the channel and also giving you guys an opportunity to try their service with that 2-week free trial. And I think you guys will love it. I've been using them since before they were a sponsor, and really happy to have them on the channel.